Hi, this is Griffin, and we have a backup sump pump problem with the battery, and the alarm goes off when the battery's low. So let's check the battery charger and see how we can reset it. Okay? We have a problem with the battery, and see how low battery it is. This is alarm reset. You have to push that when the alarm goes off. And this is the low battery. See how it's flashing? This is alarm reset. You have to push this when it goes off, okay? This is a scroll up top and the alarm reset on the bottom. And see how low our battery is? And the regular one's okay. The regular one's good, but the backup one needs a new marine battery. It's more powerful. We need to put a marine battery in. It's more powerful. I hope this can get charged. Alright.